Penguin. Penguins are flightless birds that live in the southern hemisphere. Fish. Fish are aquatic vertebrates that have gills, fins, and a backbone. Crayfish. Crayfish, also known as crawdads, are small lobster-like crustaceans. Octopus. Octopus are marine mollusks and invertebrates with 8 arms, bulbous head. Dolphin. Dolphins are mammals that are part of toothed whale family. Octopus. Octopus are marine mollusks and invertebrates with 8 arms, bulbous head. Walrus. Walrus are large, flipper-footed marine mammals. Dolphin. Dolphins are mammals that are part of toothed whale family. Shark. Sharks are a type of fish with skeleton made of cartilage rather than bone. Crab. Crab is a stubby sea creature with a flat body, 8 legs, and claws. Frog. Frogs are tailless amphibians with smooth, moist skin, bulging eyes,